Hello guys. So do you know that there are some things on WordPress are done for you for free? All what you need to do is just search, and then you're going to find it. Now today what I'm talking about is what how to create beautiful sliders for your website. So if you see these beautiful sliders over here now, as you can see, this amazing sliders. You can create it yourself, okay, for your website. Now if you go down over here also, I have sliders which are in video forms, okay. You can showcase videos as sliders in your WordPress website, and these things are for free. Amazing, right? It is free. You don't need to pay anything. All what you need to do is just install the plugin. The designs are even there to import for free. Just put in whatever you want to put in, and then you get it just in your website for free. Now if you are new over here, my name is Kobe and this is KaiTech Digital. Now in this channel, what we do is we create beautiful websites, and it also gives you tips and tricks to be able to create your website. Now in today's video, we're going to create amazing sliders for your website. I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. So stick with me, don't go anywhere, and let's go. So let's move to our dashboard. Okay, so we're going to go to our dashboard, and then I'm going to show you how you can be able to get this done for free. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to plugins over here, and I click on add new plugin. We're going to add a plugin that will be able to help us to do that particular thing. Now of course I have Elementor installed, so if you don't have Elementor, please install Elementor. But the sliders, you can showcase the slider anywhere, in a page, in a post, anywhere, whether Elementor or not Elementor. You can still showcase the slider because you will use shortcodes to be able to showcase the slider. So we're going to search for smart slider. Okay, so search for smart slider, then you're going to see smart slider 3 over here. Okay, this is what we are going to install. So click on the install now button over here, and then click on activate, and let's go. So now that you've installed the smart slider, you realize that you're going to get a menu icon over here. Okay, so just click on it, and then click on the dashboard to go to the smart slider dashboard. Now of course I have done some few testing and other stuff, so I have this over here. But if you go there for new, they'll definitely give you a tutorial on the smart sliders, how you can be able to use the smart slider. Why do I keep saying smash? Who am I going to smash? Okay, so you will be able to get a tutorial of the smart slider and then how it works and all that. Now if you don't want to showcase it again, you can dismiss it off and then go straight to the dashboard. Now this is how the dashboard really looks like. Okay, now the dashboard really comes with this green button over here, and then just this tutorial slider over here. Okay, now of course these ones are what I personally imported. Okay, so how do you create a slider? Now it's very simple. You can click on this green button over here, and then you're going to paste with two things from the pop-up over here. Now it says create a new project or start with a template. Of course, if there is a template over there, why would I have to create a new project? I'll go ahead and then pick from the template because it has already been designed for me. All what I need to do is change some few things, and then I'm here to go. Now what I need to do is just click on the start with a template, and then you'll be faced with so many free templates over here. Okay, so as you can see, there are 15 free templates over here, and then the pro is 139. Okay, so if you use the free and you are satisfied, of course you want to go for the pro. Okay, and that is why the smart slider is there for you. So you can import any of them for free and use it on your what, on your website. So let's say you want to use this one over here. Okay, so just click on what, import, and then what you're going to do is what, you're going to be faced with the slides in it. So you have what, 1 2 3 slides in it. Okay, now you can edit all of them and make them what, your own. Okay, of course, because you don't want to what, you know, import or put in a slider which does not talk about your website or does not talk about what you do and all those things, but talks about somebody else, and it is not customized to fit your what, your website. So to edit it, what you need to do is what, just click on the edit over here to edit slide 1. Okay, so we're going to edit slide 1, just the first slide, and then we go. Now I've used this smart slider on different what, websites, so I know what I'm talking about. So to edit this one, now this is what, this is how it works. Okay, so we have this one over here, and then you have this one which is the heading, this one which is the text, the image, the button, and then what, the row. Okay, now of course each of the things you want to edit, you what, you see this thing over here, this is the content, and this is what, the style. Okay, now over here is the what, is the background image. Okay, so this one that you see over here is the background image. So let's say I don't want this background image, I want a different one. I can just, you know, delete it over here and then click on the plus button over here, and then, you know, upload my own image in it. Okay, so let's say I want to upload my own what, image. So I go to where I can find my what, my image. Let me go for pick and eat. There are a lot of what, images over there for me to pick some. So I'm going to pick this particular image over here, the burger image over there, and then I'll upload it, and then what, I'll set it as my what, my background image. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded the image, and then I have what, I have you know, set it as my what, my background what, image. Okay, so you can set the focus where you want to what, set it up. Okay, for yourself, and then over here also you can, you know, play around it. Okay, so this is what, the row. Okay, so when you see, when you click on it, this one changes over here. It means that it gives you what, the chance to be able to what, edit everything that you want to what, edit about it. Okay, so this is the row and this is the style. Now you see the background over here, you can what, you can you know, change the background to suit your what, your need. Okay, so let's say I want to change the background to black. You can what, you can do that, and then black, and then maybe I want to make it what, a little bit transparent. Okay, so as you can see, it is what, becoming what, transparent over there. Okay, and that is it. So I am what, I am customizing it to suit my what, my need. Okay, and that is how it is done. Now let me go to over here, which says what, by so and so. Okay, so I can what, I can just, you know, click over there and then go to content, and then you see the content is over here. Okay, I can just change it. So instead of May 2018, I'll say what, October 1st 2022 by, and then I can put my name over there. Okay, so by Kobe Evans. Okay, then I can put my name over there. So as you can see, it is done over here. Okay, now I can go to style, and then, you know, change the whatever I want to what, I want to change over there. Okay, so if I want to change maybe the color, I can go over there and make the color what, all white. Okay, so as you can see, the color is what, white. If I want to, you know, play around it, I can what, I can go ahead and then play around it. Okay, so anything I want to do, I can do with it, just play around it and then go my way. Okay, so this is what, this is how it works, and this is exactly how it is. Now I want to remove this how do you call it, the link, you know, anchor from it, so that it's not going to have any link. Okay, so I don't want it to have what, any link, so just this one over here. Okay, and that is it. Now let me go to what, the next layer, which is also talking about 3 remarkable what, shipwreck stories from what, from history. So I can what, delete it and say what, maybe best burger joint in Accra, Ghana. Okay, so best burger joint in what? Accra, Ghana. Or maybe best burger and pizza. Okay, so best burger and pizza joint in Accra, Ghana. Okay, so that is it. Now I can go to the next one also over here, and then I can decide to what, change or delete the image anyhow I want it. Okay, so I can just decide to delete the image and then put a different what image over there. By now I don't have any image I want to use, but this one I'll go over here and then make it what, instead of this color, I'm gonna make it let me make it this color. Okay, so I just want it to what, to blend with my color. Okay, so now I can make it a color that I feel comfortable with. Okay, so let's say I want to make it what, let me make it this color. Okay, so this color is quite okay. Okay, so I'll make it this color, and then over here too you can write whatever you want to write, and then I'll change it to what, all white. Okay, and then with the button too you can go ahead and then change what, everything in it. So I want to change this button color and make it what, this color over here. Okay, and then if I want to what, add this read more, I can what, change it and then make it to what, any, maybe buy now or order, let's say order online. Okay, just like this one. Now you can go ahead and then what, give it the link that you want to what, give it. Okay, so the link says what, scroll to what, after whatever it is, but I want to what, change it and then give my link over there. Okay, so I want to give it, let's say a link I want it to be given. Okay, you can put the link over here. Okay, and that is it. Now if you are done with it, you can just go ahead. Now we also have animations over here, but the animations are the pro, that is why I haven't gone over there. Okay, so just the content, and this one is quite okay. Now if you are done with it, all what you need to do is what, to click on what, save, and then you save it. Okay, you can go back and then do so for all the other images. So as you can see, we are done with this one over here. Now we can do so for all the other images over there. Okay, now if you want to showcase it in the website, now we will have to pick this shortcode over here. So when we copy the shortcode, then we can create a page for it, or we can showcase it in our post or whatever it is. So let's say we want to create a new page for it. We can create the page and then showcase it in it. So let's say I want to showcase it in this page. So let me call this page slider. Okay, and then all what I need to do is to just search for the shortcode over here. Okay, and then paste in the shortcode over here. Now I'm going to go to page over here and then change this one to Elementor full width over here. Okay, and then I'll publish it. Now let's take a look at how the page looks like. Now guys, as you can see, this is our slider looking all nice and and cute. Okay, so you can see the slider over here. Now you can go through it, and then you have a beautiful slider done for you. Okay, so this is how you can be able to get a free slider, amazing slider for your website. Okay, nobody will know it. Now this is also mobile responsive. Now if we click here and click on inspect, you realize that it is responsive. Okay, so as you can see, it is mobile responsive. It works well for your mobile. So somebody can also click on it, go through, the user can be able to go through it, and then it works well for your website. You get a very nice slider done without working that hard. Okay, so this is how you can be able to get a beautiful slider done for your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.